Alright, getting ready to weld these steps onto these rocker guards for my Bronco. The rocker guards themselves come from Goat Fabrication. Right after I bought them, they released a version with a top plate, of course. But this will be cool either way. So I did some weld through primer on the back side and scuffed up where I want to weld. And I'll just do what I think is necessary to hold it in place and see what comes out. I'm not going to do a welding video because, as you can tell, this is my phone. And I don't think anybody's going to be impressed with my welding ability. So here we go. Alright, so they are attached. 8 little 1-inch or so welds on each one. They're not structural, they're not going to fall off. Unfortunately, these rocker guards are powder coated, so I didn't want to get it too hot and burn that off. I'm just going to touch it up with bed liner, cover it. It'll look similar, if not the same. And if I decide I don't like it, I'll paint the whole thing. Just don't have much paint left in my can, so I'll show you that in a second. So there you go. I had enough paint to paint the steps and fog the whole rocker guard. So a little bit of paint over the top of the powder coat. This paint holds up pretty good. I painted bumpers and stuff with it. It has a little texture to it. It doesn't seem to fade much. Of course, my Bronco and my Jeep before it park in the garage, so I don't know. Anyway, I'll get them installed and I'll see what they look like on the Bronco. And there they go. Installed on the Bronco. I guess I never showed the Bronco. My 2-door 2021 Sasquatch Ford Bronco.